In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Drive data using Google Takeout. Exporting your data can be an essential step in managing your digital life, whether it's for backup purposes, migrating to another service, or just cleaning up your storage space. We'll go through this process slowly and carefully, ensuring you understand each step along the way. First, you'll need to hop on your browser and head over to Google Takeout. This is Google's own service designed to help you back up data from various Google services. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using the Google account that holds the Drive data you want to export. This is crucial. Make sure you're using the right account to avoid any mix-ups with unrelated data. As you enter the Takeout portal, you'll notice that many Google services are pre-selected for export. To focus solely on Google Drive, simply click Deselect All. Now, scroll through the list of services until you find Google Drive and select it by checking its box. At this point, you have the opportunity to be more specific about what you wish to export. Clicking on All Drive Data Included allows you to choose precisely which files or folders you'd like to include in this process. In some instances, you'll also find advanced settings that provide a deeper level of detail about the data selection process. Now that you've selected what to export, let's move on to configuring the export options. Begin by clicking on Next Step. Here, you'll be faced with a few choices regarding how you wish to receive your exported data. You can opt to get a download link sent via email, or perhaps prefer to add it directly to cloud storage options like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. It's entirely up to you. You'll also want to decide on the frequency of exports. For most people, a one-time export will suffice, but you do have the option to set up recurring ones if needed. Next, choose the archive's file type and size. Google provides common formats like .zip or .tgz for the archive. Additionally, you can set a size limit for each archive file chunk. If your Drive data exceeds this size, your export will be split into multiple files, making it more manageable. Once you've configured everything to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Create Export or Create Archive. This action kicks off the process. Depending on the amount of data, this step might take a while. Think minutes, hours, or sometimes even longer. After some time, you'll receive an email containing a download link once your data is ready. Clicking this link will direct you to the Takeout page where you can download each part of your archive. Make sure to download all files, especially if your export has been split. Last but not least, use a file decompression tool like 7-Zip, WinRAR, or whatever is built into your operating system to extract these files. Following extraction, you'll find your Google Drive files neatly organized in a folder structure that mirrors the original setup in your Drive. And there you have it. Your Google Drive data has been successfully exported using Google Takeout.